Police respond to a residence where a woman has stolen the caller's automotive tool and is now refusing to get off his property.
Alright, Michelle, they want you to leave for the night.
Hold on, I'll call you back.
So let's go. Michelle, what are we doing?
Shit.
I've dealt with you for the last 12 years of my life. And you don't leave.
Why the fuck do I have to?
So, leave. They don't want you here.
I didn't know that.
I'm telling you that. They don't want you here.
That's fine, I'm trying to fucking leave anyway.
You're messing with the trash. You're
Who
not
gives
doing
a
anything.
fuck?
Oh my god, his karma's still in this building.
Okay.
No shit. That's what I'm trying to do.
Dog. It's fine.
I got shit on my hands, matter of fact. You want to cuff them?
No.
No,
Get you.
no.
Stop. What are you doing?
It's just
Get out.
how you're acting. We like you here.
Why, is Jason at my house?
Jason stays at your house.
Does he still?
He should have left today, but you know damn well he didn't. So
Okay, well, probably not. So what the fuck is your two problem? I know he's a cockfight. We're playing a game here. Who wants to be the biggest cockfights?
I told
I
you to
don't-
stop being a dick to him.
No.
Because he was
Who's
gonna call.
gonna win? But
And that's why you
he's
can't.
a cop calling, and you did.
I
You
didn't call,
did.
dude. I did not call, and they could say I did not because I did not call. They have it on record. I did not call. I just want you to stop acting like that. Stop moving shit.
Throwing and breaking shit though.
What are
like
we
they
doing?
said.
No
I don't know
one's
what I'm
no.
doing
She's
for
not
one.
throwing
Would
and breaking
please
stuff.
Shut up, Chloe,
Get-
so I can speak now.
Stop talking to your daughter like that. Get your shit. Get
You
out.
should have heard how the fuck she talking to me like
I don't
that.
give a shit. You raised her. This is on you.
Who the fuck
Get
are you to
your
talk? Who
shit
the fuck
and get out.
Who the fuck do you think you are to talk to me like
Just
that?
leave
You talk to anybody
tonight.
like that for fucking that matter, bud.
You have work
Mister.
tomorrow.
What's this one?
I don't know his name.
Durante?
I'm gonna take your stuff and I'm gonna throw it outside.
Take what stuff?
Grab her real
Your
fast.
bag,
Take it
your
outside.
cell phone, your cigarettes. Let's
Just
go.
go. And I'll see you tomorrow. Just go. It's
Oh,
not a big deal. You're not getting in trouble if you just go. What are you fucking doing, bro? No. I just seen your boob, bro. What are you doing?
Kiss my ass, everybody. I'm pulling my pants up. and
That
putting
you
it
can
on.
get in trouble for that, dude.
But they can't when you go there.
you
tell
can
you
get
that.
in trouble
They can
for that.
well.
Don't do that.
You goddamn right I am.
Come on.
Probably not. I'll take him out first.
No, that was really wrong. How
He
you
was very
actually
rude,
got
and I don't see why he's being rude to me.
You could
man.
be here, but you're acting like
We-
that, so you have to leave.
I'm
We are
putting
time.
my bra on so I could stand like Superman.
Well, I see your boob. And
I
your
didn't
ass.
really mean to do that. My
know
smart
you
assness
didn't
don't
mean
care
to.
anymore.
I know
For
you
what?
didn't mean to.
What the fuck, dude? Seriously? Like, what the fuck? I'll open the goddamn camera, huh? Now, that one was on purpose. Suck my dick.
You don't have one.
Can I, like, wash the shit up my hands? Are the dogs in the cage? I have not been
Dogs
able to
are
walk in the
outside.
fucking door, dude. Go inside was the debate. Now it's go outside.
No, I told you to
Can I
come
even
inside.
guess what I'm saying, Mr.
To get out of
Gigolante?
the freaking.
Mr.
You are
Male Gigolo?
you are being
What is that
asked
thing?
to leave.
That's
Wash
fine.
your
I
hands.
seriously was trying to leave any fucking way.
Let's go.
Did she drive here?
Michelle?
Yeah. She walked? That you know of?
She gets rides from everybody.
Okay. What happened when she got here? Did you guys get in an argument?
Came home from work. She's fucked up.
She's not dealing with it?
Nope.
I got you.
She'd walked on her daughter the whole life. I told her she ain't fucking with me. Won't deal with it.
That's why you made Ben mad.
Are we
No,
done?
that's not why. I don't know why he's mad at me.
He's
That's
mad
what I'm saying.
because
Why
you
is he
keep.
treating me like that? Why are you treating me like that?
I'm not
Most
treating
of
you
all, why the
anyway.
fuck is this treating me like that?
I'm not. I
Are
didn't
you
even call them.
joining the show, Mr. Hustler?
No.
You can't take
Well, it's
people's
my problem.
stuff.
I can't even take my own stuff.
Come on.
You took my stuff first. That's
you.
And it was a game.
They're
I don't
asking
want
you to leave.
you
Please
to be
leave.
physically touched because I know how you act.
Yeah, because right now it's gonna, it'll be fine.
Because she would freak the fuck out. I
Yeah.
know you. I'm not doing nothing wrong. Just leave for a little while. Oh my god.
You want me to get a, what's it called, running on the road naked? I'm the one who should fucking be here right
They're
now.
asking you to leave.
I don't. Yeah. So,
So you
fucking
need-
what?
so you
Why
need
don't
to
they
leave.
leave? They were leaving. News to me. They're leaving. Again. So why do I need to leave?
Because you don't live
Hustler?
here.
Yes, I do. Yeah, that's why I didn't mind that you guys were called to begin with, even bigger than anything, cockfight or whatever. Because, yeah. Ooh!
Does she live here?
She don't live here. She don't pay rent here. She comes here because we're her family.
I'll call
So-
the landlord right
Not
So
him.
does
but-
does she stay here? Like,
Yeah.
okay. Where's your stuff?
Just get your bag and go for a little
Yeah,
while.
that's
It's
good.
just for the
I know.
night.
Okay,
Just for
You guys
the
don't
night.
want it here, correct?
Michelle,
Don't want it here.
this is your last chance. You gotta get your stuff and you gotta leave.
Here to here.
You need to get
Am I
your
not
stuff
allowed
and
to
you
hear what
you need to get your
Listen.
stuff and you need to leave.
Get your stuff right now, or you're going to be arrested for trespassing.
Why am I trespassing?
Get
Because you
your
don't live
stuff.
here.
She just said I fucking live here.
No, she
No,
doesn't.
she did
She said
not.
you do not live
She
here.
said I don't
Let's
live
go.
She said
here.
you don't live here. So let's get your
Yes,
stuff and
the
let's go.
fuck I do.
Let's get your stuff and let's go.
Okay. Let's get your stuff. What's all yours? Book bag?
Dude.
Go. Come on. Let's go.
Karma. Karma. Karma.
What are you calling?
I'm getting my stuff and leaving, like you were telling me.
There's
Where am
your
I
stuff.
going?
Let's go.
Jesus.
Back to your
fuck,
house.
dude.
Get your phone. Get your smokes.
Really? You ran outside though.
What are we doing? Michelle, what are you doing?
Getting my stuff
Okay.
because I live here.
You can come back tomorrow and get that stuff.
No, maybe I can't.
Let's go.
Fuck.
What are you doing? Alright.
Ow, ow, bitch! Dude, get the fuck off my arm right now!
Stop.
Motherfucker, now! Now!
Stop.
Are you gonna not twist me? Your back could have broke my arm, dude!
She has a shoulder problem.
Really, bro?
Pull your arms out.
What the fuck was that, bro?
Pull your arms
What
out.
the fuck?
Pull your arms out.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Pull your arms.
Yeah, I already did get my arm, I think, bitch!
Well, why didn't you walk out?
Because I'm a smart ass. And this is an ass. Hey,
Smart.
that's my arm.
Don't hurt. Let her arm go. Let her arm go right now. No.
Karma, you bitch.
No.
Karma,
No.
come on. I think Karma's gonna die tonight, dude.
No, please don't arrest her, please.
Karma.
I have to put her dog down.
Chloe, listen to me.
Karma. Ow.
We're past that, Chloe.
Wake up. Dude, when Karma Karma, keep this hair out of my mouth, dude. Let's pop it back in place, please. Let's do this.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Ah.
Dude.
Michelle,
Stand up.
stand up.
Now that is ridiculous. Just stand up so you can feel better. When her arms are behind her back, it hurts her worse. She can't move that
Chloe,
shoulder
listen.
down.
We gave her
I know.
plenty of opportunities. She wanted to then, as soon as I went to go hands on to arrest her, she wants to resist.
Right, bro, exactly.
Come on.
Don't hurt
Exactly.
her arm.
Again,
What do you expect us to do with this?
Stand up. I know.
Alright,
I
this is
know.
what we're doing, Hopster. Come here. Hopster, grab an ankle. Let's go.
Please don't hurt her. Please don't.
That feels better, Chloe. Ah.
She wants to act like
Mom,
this.
get up. You're going to look stupid in
Wanna
front of my
get the
neighbors.
Dude, I'm trying to do something, Chloe. Just what the fuck out?
You're gonna
What
stand.
the fuck out, Chloe?
What? Just stop.
What the fuck out? That's what.
Listen to me.
Don't break those.
Nobody is.
I have to pay for that.
I'm not dealing with this.
Don't do that. Don't do that to my neighbors.
Dude, you're fucking hurting
Okay,
me,
what's she
dude.
gonna walk?
You're
Stand up.
Oh my goddamn.
Don't grab me.
Sorry, that
Stand
was the
up.
wrong one. Ah,
Put her on.
No, she's not gonna walk, Chloe.
you motherfucker.
Just have a chance to stand up.
Ah,
We're giving you a chance to stand up now.
fuck off me.
We're gonna
I
take
know
you to the ground.
both
If you don't,
are.
you need to chill out. You're gonna go to the ground. You got it?
Get the fuck off me.
Chill out.
Here you go.
Ah.
Are you gonna walk?
Quit trying to get out of your cuffs and let's go.
Okay. Back to
Caleb, go.
Okay.
Caleb, go.
Go.
Caleb, go.
Whoa, you're making me dizzy. What?
Well,
Let me down.
you had an opportunity to walk and you don't want to walk. So I'm gonna carry you.
Stand locked.
You got her.
Breathe
Yeah.
in. Breathe.
Calm down. Just calm down. You're fine. Calm down. You're
My
fine.
cheek.
There's a bag back there.
Huh?
There's a bag back there.
Motherfucker. Don't do it, Michelle.
Calm down.
Don't do it.
Calm.
Michelle. Don't do it.
Calm down.
Don't do it, Michelle.
Do not grab me.
Are you gonna stand
I'm
up?
not
Yes,
out.
you are.
Chloe, I understand that. but What are we supposed to do?
I know I'm a smartass. Deal with it. Stop
being
fucking
a
yanking my
smart
face.
ass.
Nobody is.
Sword fucking smears and shit.
Stop.
You're busting my wrist up.
Stop.
You're
Doing it
fucking
to yourself.
busting my goddamn.
Doing it
Stop.
to yourself. You're
Jesus
doing it
fuck.
to yourself.
Are you-
I'm trying to.
Are you
do
gonna
it
stand up?
myself now.
Listen to me. Are you gonna stand up?
Fuck. I want to stand up
Okay.
and be able to fucking walk. Ow!
They gave you.
What are you doing?
They gave you.
You are not even standing, Michelle. Michelle, what are we doing? I got it.
Oh, can I make a complaint? That man drives drunk every single day in his van.
Are we gonna stand up, Michelle?
We'll probably have to get back with that one. Just because we
Dude,
What?
you're jerk. My fucking.
Michelle, you jerked your own arm. Stop. What are you doing? All right, let's try to stand her. We're gonna stand you up, Michelle. Put your legs underneath you. Put your.
Oh damn! Did you feel that shit?
Stand
That felt.
up.
That felt great.
Stop dropping.
Stop dropping
Mom,
low.
Get in the car.
Get in the car. Come on.
I got your phone in your glasses.
Do not spit on either one of us.
I know I
Please do
taste
not.
blood.
Please do not spit, okay?
I can't help it.
Get in. Step in.
Dude, can you get the fuck off me?
No, we
for
cannot.
real?
We have to put you in the car.
You don't gotta break my bones by doing it. I thought we
Get-
went over this, dude. Yeah, I know, dude. Why are you hurting me? I'm not
Because
moving.
we were asking you
Look
to get
at
in the
this.
car, Michelle.
Get in the car.
Because I'm a dead brick.
Get in
Look
the
at
car.
this, though. I'm not trying
Stop.
to. No, I'm that fucking tense.
Get in the car.
Yeah.
You're not.
I'm not resisting at all.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, now just I was, so you get my point.
Put your foot
You guys
in
are
the car.
busting my fucking bones up.
Put your foot in the car.
From the get-go.
Put your foot in the car.
What the fuck was that?
Get your foot in.
If they shut the door on your foot, that's your own fault.
I don't care.
Michelle was charged with assault on a peace officer, resisting arrest, and criminal trespassing. Further details aren't known, but we did find that she was arrested only a month and a half later on August 31st for resisting arrest and assault. Let's hope that she gets the help that she needs to stay out of jail.